You want to switch?
Okay. Brenda, look! I don't believe it! The aliens killed the dinosaur!
Hello, humans. Welcome to the inside of the command tripod.
Where's Rachel? What have you done with my daughter?
All in good time, Tom. But first, I want to play a game. The devices you wear will trigger in 60 seconds. The switch on the wall behind Cindy will disable them. But where is the key? I'll give you a hint, Cindy. Let the game begin.
I don't get it.
Okay, maybe this will help you see.
You want me to cut something?
That should be obvious, yes? No. No! Ugh, the key is behind your eye, okay? Salter, get in here. This one's gonna do it.